Question 1. Find 1 by 4 of 1 by 4, 3 by 5, 4 by 3, and 1 by 7 of 2 by 9, 6 by 5, and 3 by 10. So we have done this type of question. Of means multiplication. So we will write all of them here. Now simplifying. 1 over 16. This is 3 over 5 fours are 20. And this is 4 cancel, cutting opportunity 3. So this was your first part. Now here 1 by 7 of 2 by 9, 6 by 5, 3 by 10. So again, writing it down, you know it very well how it is done. Now 2 into 9 sevens are 63. Now here 6 ones are 6, 7 fives are 35, nothing can be cancelled. Again 3 over 70. So these all are proper fractions. So this was the question number first. Second, multiply and reduce to lowest form if possible. So first of all we have to multiply them and then convert them into lowest form if the question is possible. So let's see. Number first is 2 by 3 into 2 and 2 by 3, 2 by 3 into as it is, now 8 over 3. Now 8 is a 16 over 3 3 is a 9. Now it is improper. We got to change it into proper. So 9 ones are 9, remainder is 7 because 16 minus 9 is 7 over 9. That was your first part. Here you can see cutting opportunity, 7 7 cancel, so it is proper fraction 2 over 9. Now here cutting opportunity, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9 and 4 4s are 16. It is proper. So proper is where numerator is smaller than denominator. Again 27 and 25. This is improper because numerator is greater. So 25 ones are 2 remainder and 25. That was your fifth part. Now again cutting opportunities. 1 3s are 3, 5 3s are 15. So 5 over 8 it is proper because numerator is smaller than denominator. Now 33 into 20. It is improper. Numerator is greater. So we got to change it into proper. 21s are 20, 13 is remainder. So this is your sixth. Now last, 12 fours are 48, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. In this way you can also do 7 5s are 35. Now it is improper. 35 ones are 35 and 13 is remainder when you subtract it from 48. So 1 and 13 over 35. That was a question number second. Third, for the fractions given below. Number first, multiply and reduce the product to lowest form if possible. So first of all we have to multiply. Now tell whether the fraction obtained is proper or improper. So now you know what is proper and improper. It will be easy to you to find the solution. Then last, if the fraction obtained is improper, convert it into mixed fraction. So here we go. 2 over 5 as it is and mix to simple fraction 21 over 4, cutting opportunity. You can cancel it. Now 21 over 10. It is improper because numerator is greater than denominator. So we got to convert it into proper. So 2 and 1 over 10. 10 to the 20, 1 is remainder over 10. So this is how you'll do rest of the questions. Now converting it into simple fraction, 30 plus 2 is 32 over 5, 7 by 9 as it is. Now multiplication, 7 2s are 14 and 1 is carry, 7 3s are 21 plus 1 is 22. And in denominator it is simple, 45. It is again improper because numerator is greater than denominator. 45 fours are 176 and now it is converted into mixed fraction. Now third, 3 by 2 as it is, 5 3s are 15 and 1 is 16 over 3, cutting opportunity. 1 2s are 2, 8 2s are 16, 3 goes away. Now 8 ones are 8 over 3. So this is a whole number, a complete number, not a fraction at all. That was your third. Fourth, 5 over 6 into 7 to the 14 plus 3, 17 over 7. Now multiplication, 7 5s are 35, 5 ones are 5 plus 3 is 8. So 85 over 42, 7 6 are 42, again improper. Now 42 2s are 84, 1 is remainder. Now fifth, 5 3s are 15 plus 2 is 17 over 5, 4 by 7 as it is. Now multiplication, 17 4s are 68, 7 4s are 28, 2, 4 plus 2 is 6. 7 5s are 35, again improper because numerator is greater than denominator. 35 ones are 35, remainder is 33. So this makes your mixed fraction. Sixth part, 5 2s are 10 plus 3 is 13 over 5 into 3 as it is. Now 13 3s are 39 over 5, it is improper. So 5 7s are 35 and 4 is remainder over 5. It is your mixed fraction. The last part, 7 3s are 21 plus 4 is 25 over 7 into 3 over 5. 1 5s are 5, 5 5s are 25, cutting apportionity. 5 3s are 15 over 7. Improper, so converting it into mixed fraction gives you 2 and 1 over 7. So that was your question number third. Fourth, which is greater? Now we have to compare in each question that which amongst them is greater. So of means multiplication. The whole concept is to make you understand that of in mathematics means multiplication. So here we go. So 2 over 7 into 3 over 4 and writing 3 over 5 into 5 over 8. Just place multiplication sign when you see of. So now we will solve it. 1 to the 2, 2 to the 4. So 3 over 14. 5 5 cancels straight away. So 3 over 8. But we cannot compare it because it is unlike. We have to make the denominators like. So we can take LCM. So 2 7s are 14, 2 to the 4. Now 4, 7 as it is, 4 1s are 4, now 7, 1 1. So when you multiply it, 4 2s are 8, 8 7s are 56. Now we can take the common denominator as 56. So 14 halves are 56. So 14 4s are. So 4 3s are 12. Therefore 12 came. Now 8 7s are 56. So 7 3s are 21. So you know how to find it. You have learned in previous classes. Now you can easily compare because denominator is same. So 21 is greater. What does it mean? It means so 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater than 2 by 7 of 3 over 4. So in similar fashion we will do second part. Here what we have, 1 over 2 into 6 over 7 and 2 over 3 into 3 over 7. Cutting apportionity, 1 to the 2, 3 to the 6. Here 3 3 cancels straight away. So 3 over 7 and 2 over 7. Here denominators are same, no need to take any LCM. You can see 3 is greater than 2. If the first part 1 over 2 of 6 over 7 was greater than 2 over 3 of 3 over 7. So this was your fourth question. Sally plants 4 saplings in a row in a garden. The distance between two adjacent saplings is 3 over 4 meter. Find the distance between the first and the last sapling. So what is a sapling? It is a small tree. Distance between two adjacent saplings is given 3 over 4 meter. And distance between the first and the last sapling is given. So this is your Sally and the sapling is a small plant which you can grow. So in this fashion she placed them two saplings at a distance of 3 over 4 meter. So what does it mean? It means you have total 3 gaps, 1, 2 and 3. So we multiply it with 3. This is 1, this is second, this is third. Do not confuse it with 4 because whenever there are 4 there will be gap of 3. So this you have to visualize and this picture makes it possible to visualize. Therefore we multiply it with 3, not 4. Remember, it is always 1 minus when some questions like gap come. So 3 3s are 9 over 4. It is improper, make it proper. 4 to the 8, 1 is remainder. So what does it mean? The distance between first and the last sapling is 2 and 1 over 4 meter. 6th, Lipika reads a book for 1 and 3 over 4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. So it takes her 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the books? It is very simple. In one day, she reads 1 and 3 over 4. In 6 days, we have to simply multiply it. So we are writing it down. Number of hours Lipika reads a book. Converted, it is 7 over 4 hours. And total days she takes is 6 days. So how many hours? It is simple. Multiply with 7 by 4 into 6. Now cutting opportunity, we can see here 2 to the 4 and 3 to the 6. 7 3 is 21 over 2. When you multiply it, it gives you 21 over 2 hours. So converting it into mixed fraction, that is 2 tens are 20, 1 is remainder. It'll take her in total 10 and half hours. 7th, a car runs 16 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 and 3 by 4th liters of petrol? So imagine this is a car. When it fills with 1 liter, it can run to 16 kilometers. But the question says how much long it will cover when the tank of the car will be filled for 2 and 3 over 4 liters. So you can visualize it in this manner. So we got to convert 2 and 3 by 4 into simple fraction. So 4 to the 8 plus 3 is 11. Therefore 11 over 4. Now it is simple a matter to multiply it with 16. It is a unitary method, you know it. 1 4 is a 4, 4 4 is a 16. So a whole number came, no fraction. It is 44 kilometers. So it will go 44 kilometers. 8th, A. Provide the number in the box. So this is the box. Here it is the box. 2 over 3 into box. So what will come in box in order to get 10 over 30? Then the simplest form of the number obtained in that box. First you have to find the value of box and then you have to convert it into simplest form. Similarly, second 3 by 5 into box gives you 24 over 75 and then again convert it into simplest form if possible. If it is already, then you need not to convert it. So 2 over 3, what should be multiplied in order to get 10 from 2? It should be 5. 2 5 is 10 and 3 to 30 is 10. And you multiply 3 with 10, you get 30. Simple. Now 5 by 10 is not in simplest form. Cutting opportunity. 1 5 is a 5, 2 5 is a 10. Therefore the simplest form is 1 over 2 in that box. Similarly, we will do for B part. Now what should be multiplied with 3 to get 24? It is simple. 8, because 3 8s are 24. No other number can give you 24. Here 5, 15s are 75. Again, no other number, then 15 will give you 75. Now it is in simplest form. You can see it, no cutting opportunity. Therefore it is a simplest form. So this was the last question. Question number 8th.